Hey everybody, it's Dr. Mac. I'm in Butte, Montana. So remember the human and physical broad groupings within geography. What do humans do? Where do they do it? What physical processes happen? Why do they happen there? Then we look at the human environment interaction, the connection between the human geography and the physical geography. And one of the reasons I'm here is because they have pasties. And it's basically a burrito, fully enclosed. There's meat, typically potatoes, some vegetables, might be turnips, got some gravy in here. And the reason you find pasties in Butte, Montana is because behind me is the big Butte mine. Originally, some of this land was purchased as a silver mine, then figured out that the real money is in the copper. And this is still a huge operation, been going on for over a century, like 150 years now at this point. But let's get back to pasties. I don't eat these very much, but once in a while I do it for something different. Why pasties? Because people move and they want to bring food with them. And look, I've got dinner in the hand. It's like a burrito. It's like a sandwich. If you can wrap up your food in something that's easy to carry and doesn't get your hands too dirty, we like it. And this idea of the pasty was developed by miners in Europe. As this mine is getting going, they need hundreds of miners. It's the 1880s, Butte, Montana. They don't have hundreds of miners. So they send recruiters to Europe where people have experienced mining. They know the work involved, they know how much work, and they know how to do it. So they go there and say, life is better in Montana, give up your job, come to the United States, specifically Butte, Montana, and we'll make sure that you have a good life. Good, better. People from Eastern Europe came to Butte, Montana, and when people move, they bring their foods with them. Hence, the pasty in Butte, Montana. You may recall that I grew up in Minnesota, and there's iron mines in Minnesota. There's iron mines in the UP, Upper Peninsula of Michigan. And the same story happens there. There's pasties in restaurants there as well, because those mines get started roughly the same time, within a few decades of the mine here in Butte. And those mines have people from back in Europe. So why do we have pasties in Butte, Montana? Why do we have pasties in the UP of Michigan? It happens because we brought people from the same place in Europe to these places in the United States at about the same time. So there you go, combined with some of the cultural and the physical landscapes of Butte, there's a little bit of what's going on with the human and physical geography in Butte, Montana. I think this is what makes places interesting. Hope you enjoy it. Bye.